Jai Hind everyone, I am Cadet Anya Swami and today I am going to be covering the topic bends and hitches. Okay, so let's take a look at what are bends and hitches. Ropes can be secured to each other or items and fittings by means of bends and hitches. So bends and hitches क्या होते हैं? Basically connecting ropes to a particular substance or a particular item. Each bend or hitch is used for a specific purpose and cannot be interchanged. अब क्यों हमारे पास इतनी अलग-अलग टाइप्स ऑफ बेंड्स हैं, इतनी अलग-अलग टाइप्स ऑफ हिचेस हैं, इतनी अलग-अलग टाइप्स ऑफ लैशेस, नॉट्स हैं? That is because उनके अलग-अलग रोल्स हैं and they cannot be interchanged. So now we are going to talk about them. Okay, so we have what are the methods of joining ropes. Let's talk about that. We have first is bend. Bend क्या होता है? Bend is for temporary joining of two ropes together. तो अगर कहीं पे भी bend लिखा है मतलब दो ropes को जोड़ने का तरीका is a bend. Hitch is joining a rope to a spar or structure or a ring. जैसे हमने एंकर से कनेक्ट कर दिया, हमने कोई पोल से कनेक्ट कर दिया. That is what hitch talks about. तो hitch में हम rope to rope नहीं कनेक्ट करेंगे, rope to material कनेक्ट करेंगे. And knots are made within the strand of the rope. तो जो knot हम अंदर ही rope के अंदर ही कर देते हैं कि कोई और rope की जरूरत नहीं है. That is the knot. Next thing we are going to talk about is we are going to talk about what are the various types of knots. Okay, so first of all we talk about what is reef knot. Reef knot जो है that is used to join two ropes of equal sizes. We will try to put in a clip here. We will insert a clip on how you can make the reef knot, and it looks something like this. You will be able to see also. Now the next thing that we have is the clove hitch. I hope the last knot was clear to you. What is the clove hitch knot? Clove hitch knot is basically, it looks something like this and it is useful for tying a line to a post. So the line here means a rope. So basically a rope. So to connect a rope to a post even when the ends of it are not available. So इसमें अगर आपने देखा हो, here I will show you how it's done. So you understand कि for this you do not need the ends of the rope. तो अगर बहुत लंबी rope है and you need to connect it from the middle, it is possible using clove hitch. Next we are talking about is rolling hitch. Now what is rolling hitch? First of all, hitch क्या थी? If you can remember, bend was between two ropes, hitch was between rope and material. So now we are talking about again rope and material के बीच में. This hitch is also used for securing rope to a spar. Again जैसे अभी मैंने बोला कि it is used for आपको connect करने के लिए किसी spar pole से, rail or similar fitting. When the pull is expected to be from one side or the other. Rolling hitch में क्या होता है? It looks something like this. तो आपका इधर से pull होगा या उधर से pull होगा, तो then we have this particular cord. Okay, now we'll show you how it's made also. Next we are talking about timber hitch. Timber hitch is basically a hitch that is used for securing a rope's end to a spar, ठीक है, or a base. That is what timber hitch is used. ठीक है, again that is how it looks like. This structure here, that is what it looks like now. What is bowline? Bowline is the most useful knot for making temporary eyes. Now what are temporary eyes? Temporary eyes you can kind of say कि इस type का structure जो है, that is what temporary eyes talks about. So it is used for making temporary eyes in ropes of all sizes. तो चाहे आपकी rope बड़ी है, छोटी है, मोटी है, पतली है, whatever it is, it can be used. It is used for bending a heavy line to a hawser as a lifeline around a man's waist. So ये structure जो है, this structure जो है, a man can descend into this, and using this they can move up and down along the sides of the ship as well. That is why this is a very, very, very important role. Okay. Next we have next we have round turn and two half hitches. Round turn and two half hitches look something like this. So now we are going to talk about कि इसका क्या importance है, what is the role of this. We are going to talk about that. Now this combination is used to secure a heavy load. ठीक है, so heavy load to a spar, ring or shackle. क्यों? क्योंकि अब यहाँ पे आपके पास दो structures हैं, दो rounds हैं, इसलिए that provides more security. Okay. Bowline देखिए, now we have bowline on a main or a bite. It can be used for lowering a man aloft or over the side of the ship. The short bite being placed under his arms and the long one under his buttocks. And that again we will cut through that and show you how it's made. Now we have next is what are the elements of bends and hitches. कोई भी bend होगी, कोई भी hitch होगी, तो इसमें क्या क्या what are the basic elements that are present in that? We have a bite, एक bite present होती है, a rounder, एक rounder होता है, ठीक है, half hitch हो सकती है. So this is not कि सारे present होंगे, but it can be present. जैसे बोला on bite में we had this rounder, में we have double rounder वाला हमने देखा था, half hitch जैसे clove hitch में we can say kind of. Then we have a twist can be possible and overhand knot can be possible. And that is all about after bends, hitches and knots के बारे में. I hope you were able to understand it. That's all for today. Thank you and Jai Hind.